In this video, I'm gonna expose Iman Gadzhi and I'm gonna show you guys the real way he actually makes money. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, boys. Welcome back to a brand new video on my YouTube channel. My name is Ihsan. I'm 19 years old and I do dropshipping and e-commerce here in Dubai. Then I wanna expose Iman Gadzhi in this video on how he actually gets successful, how he actually makes the money, and how he actually lives in the beach. So you guys might know Iman Gadzhi at this point. He's blowing up all over the internet and I have so much respect for the guy. 24 years old, living the dream of 99% of the people, and he does not deserve the hate or anything like that. You know, anyone else could have done it, but he's the chosen one. He actually puts in more work than everybody else, and that's why he's in the position that he is now. This video is not intended to be hating on him or anything like that, but just to unfold the pages and show you guys the real way he actually makes money and the business that he's not talking about that makes him the most amount of money. Now, as you guys already know, he has two main things. One is Educate, where he actually teaches on how to make an agency, a course basically, and the second thing is Agency Flow, the software that you have to use if you're a student inside his course, which makes it so smart, right? Because if you're a student inside his course, you must use the software that he has, and only from the software and the educational platform that he has made over $80 million, which is crazy numbers, and it keeps growing. And boys, you could literally do the same thing. You could literally work as hard as him and actually achieve something. Now, his success was of course not overnight. He has actually put in the work for so long. Just by looking at his old vlogs, seeing how young he was and how much work he was putting in, almost 10 years of work to actually reach the position that he's in. And I believe in something, that is, if you actually work in something for a long time, you will definitely achieve the results that you actually want to get. And agency is not something that he's actually making money from. That was something that he used to make money from, but not anymore. It's actually his software company along with his course. Not surprising, of course, but I want to give you guys something that could make you guys around 100k per month. Now, this is something that's being tested by me, and it's so promising that each one of you who's watching this video could make something out of it. But here's the point: an organic TikTok agency with a guarantee. Now you might be thinking, how do you actually start it? You need employees for that. Let me explain. It's literally so simple that you and your friend could actually start a complete organic TikTok agency here in Dubai, and you could actually become successful at it. Let me explain how it works. Usually here in Dubai, they charge around 15,000 dirhams for 15 videos, which is around 1,000 per video. And those videos does really good, but sometimes it doesn't really do good. But those companies does not give you any guarantee. If it flops, it flops. If it does good, it does good. They just create the videos for you. But imagine if you were different. Imagine if you made it half the price and you actually gave them a guarantee of 1 million views. And that's exactly what we did. And it landed us 2 clients in the first week of us bringing this idea. Now that 2 clients is of course worth 14,000 dirhams. Just still better than nothing, right? Imagine in the first week making 14,000 dirham from a complete fresh business. So how does this work? Basically, you create a TikTok account for the business, and then you brainstorm ideas, and then you go ahead and shoot the content with that company or that person, whether it's a brand or a company, and then you outsource the editing part, completely edit all of those TikToks and actually upload them every 2 days for the next 1 month. And that is the easiest 7.5k dirhams you could actually make. Now in dollars, that's around 2.5k, which is still good, you know, from one client only. So how do you scale it? Of course, when you want to scale it, you want influencers to actually take part, you want more editors to be a part of your business. And I promise guys, if you actually put your head into this business, work it out for the next 5 months, I guarantee you guys will land so many clients. If you guys want to know how exactly I do it, I'll be releasing a complete tutorial if I hit 5,000 followers before the end of the new year 2024. So if you guys want me to explain the whole steps that I took in order to become successful at this business and actually make money unlike Iman Gadzhi through agency, then you guys, you know, gotta subscribe with the notifications on. I got so many bangers coming up, boys, so you guys do not want to miss up on those videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch up with you guys in the next video. Peace out.